Hello everybody, welcome to Hylian Gaming. We are playing Super Smash Bros. Melee for like the 20th time.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Okay, so looks like first off we have Hylian Chris as Yoshi and Rogue Blizzard as Link. You. No, I'm not playing Luigi. Okay, and it's time for Yoshi on Yoshi's Story.
God, when you're egg. I don't. Bunch of brownies. Don't throw your egg at me. I don't know if that has dinosaur poo on it. I don't want dinosaur poo egg on me. Stop with
now
the
you
eggs.
become dinosaur poo egg.
Stop it. I don't like dinosaur poo eggs.
You.
Let's see. Next year's gonna be a good year for Nintendo.
It is Star Fox 64, Legend of Zelda U. We have
We
a
have
dog.
a doggy.
So, go Am. Go.
Go.
Alright, and we are go.
Damn it.
So, January 10th, we have the Extinction 3 tournament at 1UP Video Games in Greenville, South Carolina. But it is Smash for Wii U, which I'm getting this Christmas, for 3DS and for Wii U, thanks to my amazing family members.
Yeah, that was going nowhere.
It's also Project M, but I don't play Project M, so I might sign up for it just to see how I do, but probably not.
And I'm doing the Pokemon.
Yes, the Pokemon. That is actually the first game that will be played. And it'll be streaming on twitch.tv/FlamingBerserkGaming. So you can watch it there.
I don't know what Yoshi's so happy about.
I kicked your ass. Think for it. Right, so you want to stop it because you guys know what's going to call the video game. Okay. Okay. I'm thinking I'm going to stay with Yoshi. Who are you going to go with?
That's a tough choice. I'll take it.
You're going to go with Ganondorf. Alright, let's go. So, what are you most excited for this Christmas?
I would have to say the games.
Which game, why don't you let everybody know which game you're getting for Christmas? With that awesome 3DS.
Well, hopefully the new Persona Q Collector's Edition. The Pokemon Omega Ruby.
And Alpha Sapphire, if you're lucky.
Yeah, I'm lucky Alpha Sapphire. And the Legend of Zelda.
Which one?
Link Between Worlds. Which I thought was pretty good.
I have as well.
I think I had to go back and play Ocarina of Time again.
Oh, fuck. So, You know that I bought you an N64 game.
Yes, I do.
What is your predictions on what that game
There's been
is?
so many predictions.
Okay, so what are your top 3 predictions on the game that you got?
It's a Pokemon game, or a Legend of Zelda game, or let's see, what a or another Cruising the World game.
No, you will get Cruising USA.
Oh God.
I'm just kidding, everybody. I will tell you now, it is not Cruising USA. I'm not that cruel of a person. It's Mario Tennis for the Virtual Boy. Because that game is just awful.
No, the camera for the Game Boy was awful.
Hey, I want one of those and the printer so I can take a Game Boy selfie. I want to take a Game Boy selfie and there's a dog in my face. Sorry about these pausings, people. We keep having dog issues.
My dog likes my food.
You want to put it out?
She'll eventually lay down.
And now she will. Okay, we are back. Well, you were the video this the entire time. So, we're not really
We are back from the Cookie Wars.
Ah, changed it. Still gonna link that to freaking full combo. Just a full stop. I could have got you Smash 64.
Oh, sure.
But I will definitely be buying that for the Virtual Console when I get it, or whenever I get money to buy it on the Virtual Console, and controllers to play. Yeah, and even though I don't like the game that much, I will be getting Brawl to play, so I will have all the games.
Hey, you're like me, you're a collector.
Yep. By the way, we will have collecting videos up as soon
as Christmas.
Yeah, as Christmas. We will be making collection videos on Christmas to show our new additions to our collections. They are not big, but they are growing, and they will grow rapidly if it's anything like our previous collections.
Yeah.
Of different items, not Nintendo. And we still have those items. So it's not like we just got them and get rid of them after we spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars on them. How did I just get freaking Warlock Punch? That's bullcrap. I just like walked and stayed to get punched. I didn't move at all. Ridiculous. Take some head from Yoshi.
I will not take head from him. If anything, Yoshi's taking head from him. And no sexual puns intended.
Complete sexual puns.
No sexual puns. And fuck. Oh.
Alright, we will be doing one more match, and then we will be switching to Pokemon XD Gale of Darkness for you're starting a playthrough tonight?
Yeah.
So we'll be starting a Pokemon XD playthrough tonight. Make sure you watch that, because we will have extremely interesting conversations, because here in South Carolina it is 12:30 right now, and we will probably be up until like 5 or 6, maybe just pull it all night. And we're going to see Hobbit tomorrow, so that might not be a good idea.
We won't fall asleep during it. You can't fall asleep during it.
Very true, you cannot. I think I'll stay Yoshi for this last match.
I will go, since we're doing a Pokemon. I'll go Mewtwo.
Okay, I'll go Pikachu. And I will go Pichu versus Mewtwo. Possibly the weakest versus the strongest Pokemon characters. Even though it's very debatable if Mewtwo is actually the strongest.
I would say that would actually be probably Giratina. Because, I mean, if you put Giratina, like, in a team I have, if you put Giratina and Darkrai together, they basically work amazing as combos.
True.
So,
Where
I
would
mean,
Deoxys rank it?
Deoxys would possibly fit in with Rayquaza because of the speed.
Yeah. So, speaking of Deoxys, you get to ride Rayquaza into space
Yes, you do.
and catch Deoxys.
And from what I've heard, that Deoxys is the toughest one to catch.
Sorry, everybody. I'm getting over a cold.
Lay down.
Been off. Go lay down, man.
Time. Lay down.
No. Wait, that is a doggy nose on the camera. Go, Ann. My bad, everybody. I did not mean for that to happen.
You gotta love the dog.
Okay, so now that we got the dog away with food, because she's just like her human owners do, you know. Hey, me included. You throw food somewhere, I'm going to get it.
I just
No,
walk up.
no, no. Oh. Yeah, that's right. Suck on that.
But yeah, from what I've heard,
Crap.
Deoxys is the hardest to beat.
I've heard that as well. Choo. I want to beat Deoxys with a Pichu.
If anything, I might try the Nuzlocke challenge.
The what?
The Nuzlocke challenge.
What is that?
You get a Pokemon,
Oh.
and it's in your team.
Okay, I'm sorry, everybody. I know I'm sucking this Pichu, but it will be okay. It will kill you. I've won the past 2 games with Yoshi.
You nickname your Pokemon, and if it dies in battle through Gym or Wild,
3. I didn't get that.
through Gym or Wild, you have to release it.
Ooh, that would be tough. Gotta farm on the Pokeballs, so catch. Alright, so everybody, that is our last match of Super Smash Bros. For now, we may come back later, and you will know that if there's another video uploaded of Super Smash Bros., obviously. Well, see you all, well, not see you, but hope you tune in to the Pokemon XD Gale of Darkness playthrough. We may be playing through all of it tonight. We could just be playing through a couple of towns. Who knows? It is what it is. If we pass out on thing, then have fun hearing us talking in our sleep. Post it everywhere, please. Just share the page everywhere. Follow, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at Hylian Chris, and her at Blizzard Road.
Yeah, Blizzard Road 7.
Blizzard Road 7. So, yeah. See ya.